All right, sanibonani sikahlathi Khuli Government Hospital le. Kuyabanza kule ndzawo le. Kakhulu kade inyalo ebusika, so make sure ukuthi uma ngabe uyesibhedlela kahlathi just come dressed and well prepared as well ngoba uyabona nje ngibuye enhlangano kepha sengive emakhada. Okay. Jumping to our story, ngi-receive an inbox from nurse lobuya la kahlathi. Washo ukuthi kune luswane lelitholakele ucela ke ma donations. On my previous post na ungabuka leyo post leyo utawubona lokuthi bekufuneka ema donations ani. So ke emaswati akhonile lokho ukuthi abese ke aya donate ke ngaloko lanako. Luckily I have my dear sister here, Tianza Nxumalo, if I'm not mistaken. All right, Tianza Nxumalo ngunesi wethu lesinayela. Nangabe wendi nesi ngiyokhumbula ukuthi nelBhayibheli liyafunzwa kunemanga. Sibonga ke lenhlitiyo leyo sicabanga ukuthi imoldwe ngiyo ke lelBhayibheli. So ke banikelile ke emaswati ke timbahla nje titonge nje leti lengisuka nato noma lengibuya nato nyalo disuka eTuli eMbabane kubo Mathapha nabo Manzeni bangiphathise nje along the way nambe ngihambela ngepublic today. So ngito nje leti. So but anyways on the previous post bengifake inombolo yami lapha for donation purpose. Ngasho ngokuthi if nofuna donate you can contact this number. Bacontactile ke bantu to just give me the clothes. But then the reason for this video is because now there is money involved. Lapho khona abantu bakhonile nekusenda imali. Ngiyathi ukuthi umntwana uyadla, umntwana uthatha 7 medications, more especially uma ngilo yaminyaka lo. So ke ngale mali lele nikelwe ngini maswati ngicela nje kuyinika nesi Tianza Nxumalo lo sebenza Children's Ward Hlathi Khuli Government Hospital eShiselweni. Mark, thank you so much. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyo imali lekhona la lesingakwenda nyalo because bantu sebavele sebakubonile. Sitawushintsha ke le nombolo nyalo instead ukuthi lokuyimali nikusendele mina, please boy special nakubuya emalini ngicela ukuthi sasitayiforward kusisi Tianza la lesinaye la ngeke lo tawukhona ukuthi abone ukuthi umntwana uthini ngani since anaye la most of the time. So ngingisanele mina ngwakalishapa ngabe nguye Tianza Nxumalo? Yes, Tianza Nxumalo angasishayi nangabe khona labanye Noxman ngahlala kakhulu eJozi phela labanye ngeuzibathemba. Thank you so much my dear sister. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokhu sekutawu khona ukuthi asigcini ke lapho. Umntwana akagcini nje ngoba ngako tawuphinza khula and then kukhona nema inboxes lengwatholile wathi mine lo munye ngicela kumthatha nasangaka mo especially nakubuya emabhayini. I'll share with you the message lebuya kulabanye so that you can be motivated as well. Otherwise if I'm happy and then you should be happy. Do you have anything to say?
Yes, ngiyabonga kakhulu Shem Maswati Mahle, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Lengwendile if ngiphumile esandleni I will apologize when the time comes, but kimi lokufikile kakhulu.